I'm so bored. I just finished my Lego set. Well, yeah, you always got bored in a thunderstorm. I also heard in the I also heard in the news that there might be a blackout later. A blackout? Well, I don't plan on sleeping, so yeah, that's gonna be hard. So how do you think? So yeah, how are you processing with your new life? Well, it's okay. I mean, I only made my neck. When you gonna make my body? Well, I don't plan anytime sooner. The only thing why I made you is for fun, but yeah, it is nice having a friend around. So, yeah, just wait. Yeah. Ugh. Need to check out the news in my Nintendo Switch. You don't know. Just wait. It's loading. Load faster! Load! So hard these days. Just want to... Come on. Load, you stupid Nintendo Switch. Uh, yeah. Okay. My Nintendo Switch ain't definitely working. So... let's just see. Just wait there. Gotta go pick up some stuff. Wait a minute. Did it turn on? Yes, turn on. News. Oh no, it's gonna black out in any minute. Gotta go check out the lights. Oh, Jesus. Gotta go black out. I need a flashlight. There's a flashlight under these. Really? A Lego flashlight? It's all I have, man. There, I turned on the flashlight. Okay. It can black out any moment. Just gotta get ready to turn off the lights. Oh, shoot, but I'm so scared. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm so scared. I don't want it to be a blackout. What do I do? Okay. Just breathe. Just breathe. Okay? I'll figure this out. Come on. Brightness. Brighten it up. Okay. Ow. Oh, it hurts. Okay. There. Brightness. Huggy wuggy. Calm. I'm gonna go hide in the cloth. I'm so scared. I've been scared of the dark thousands of times. Well, we gotta cower together. Yeah. Hope it doesn't black out. Yeah. Oh. Go away, you stupid Lego sets. You ready? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let me just fix myself. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Gonna go black out. It's gonna be a blackout. We're gonna die. We ain't gonna die, Huggy Wuggy. Just calm down. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh. Did it black out? Let me see. Yeah, it blacked out. Damn it. It blacked out. blacked out, Huggy Wuggy. I can't see anything. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm so scared. Well, just gotta wait. I mean, don't worry. We have Mr. Burger with us. We can eat him. Is there any cloth? Don't worry. I think I brought some. Just wait. There, I brought some. I need to hide in these. I feel so scared. Yeah, don't worry, Huggy Wuggy. There, it's all red. Oh, I feel safe. Yeah, I do feel safe. I'm so scared of the dark. You know, I never get used to the dark. Even though how many times my parents tried to make me face my fears, I just didn't listen. Well, you know that. That's all it is, Huggy Wuggy. Oh, it's gonna be overnight, so maybe you wanna go rest? No, I'm scared. Okay, well, I'll go out and get you a drink in the fridge. Is that okay? Yeah, sure. Okay, let me just go out with the flashlight. Oh, I'm coming out. Yeah. Is it okay? Huggy Wuggy, it's safe. There's backup generators actually. Oh, I forgot we had those. Yeah, there's backup generators. Okay, Huggy Wuggy, you can come out now. I'll turn off the other light. There. Huggy Wuggy, it's okay now. There's backup generators. Okay, I'm gonna go out. I'm not afraid of monsters. Wow. Safe? It's safe. I'm gonna celebrate with the drink. Yeah. Coca-Cola? Nah. Oh. Let me see. There's some beer. Yeah. Oh shoot, I think I'm gonna break it. Ah! Hey, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate with this. Okay, just wait. Oh, I feel so relieved. Oh, that feels so good. How about you, Piano? You want some? No. No. Oh, I'm so glad. Hey, what about you want to play some Nintendo Switch while we drink? Ah, so fresh. Am I right? Yeah. Let's party. I'm gonna stop. Yeah. Sporty. I hope you don't mind I changed the light. Nah, that's okay. I'm just playing some Minecraft. Yeah. You know, I really had fun today. I mean, sure, it's a bit scary. But one question, Huggy. Why do you have that bandage on your arm? Oh, this. Yeah. I got an accident. You remember when I fell? Yeah, kinda landed on that bag over there and ripped myself open. So This is gonna stay bandaged forever until I get stitched up back. Cool. I know how to stitch up if you build my body. Are you trying to trick me or no? No. No. Definitely no. Yeah, you're lying. Ah, I almost got you. Okay, well, just having fun. Let's go. Yeah. So probably gonna go to sleep. That's all yours. Good night. Night. Oh. Yeah. Time to get some chill scale. Let's see. Let's watch a movie. Whoop. Oh, no. No! I need the password. Guess I'll just drink. Wait. Oh, shoot. I can't even do anything. Well, I'm just going to sleep, too.